Hello guys, and welcome back to Dogs Do That. In this video is going to be another card trick. What you will be doing is you will take 6 to 8 cards. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then what we're going to do is give them a quick shuffle. And then what you have to do is you have to remember the last card of the deck. And this will be the card that you show to the other people, but you have to know before you show them. And then what you are going to do, you are going to spell magician and put each letter under the deck like this. M A G I C I A N. And then after, what you are going to do, you are going to do the down and under shuffle. It looks something like this. Down, under, down, under, down, under, down. And you will continue doing this until you have one card left. And then eventually, the card that you selected would be the bottom card. You might not think this is real, but I'll do it again. We're gonna toss these aside. We will select different. Let's do a different number of cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's do 7. Put the deck of cards aside. These are the ones we used last time, You're gonna take the cards, take a little sneak at the last card, show your opposing team the card. M A G I C I A N to spell out magician. Then down, under, down, down, under, down, under, down, under, down, under, down. And then toss these aside, because this will be your card. That's the tutorial. Bye.